the roof.
You didn't say the full sentence.
We said hello in sync. Now this is the great battle of the pangolin and
That's the chicken man.
the pangolin is obviously going to win because pangolins are good.
I thought I took over the pangolin. Empire!
The War of the Flightless Birds. Much more fitting name.
I actually had a war.
Oh shoot. I cut my foot earlier and it might be bleeding. It doesn't matter.
On top hat in real life.
If I faint, it's not my fault. It's my blood's fault for not working. Flightless bird attack! No, I'll have none of this. I'll slap you to death.
No!
Get off! Whee! Oh, that was close. Yes, we are playing.
No!
We are. Thank you. We are playing. We did. Chicken.
I am a chicken.
Chicken. I think we forgot to tell them we're playing gangbeasts.
Yeah, we're also playing gangbeasts because we don't want to be classical. We don't want to play Minecraft. But
Now, whoever's editing this,
it's you.
we have super fancy editor.
Oh, it's you. Stop it.
So, yes, we do good stuff. We like our editor is a specially hired person. We've never met them. It might just be one of our friends. We don't know. This is our first. Oh my gosh, I'm not a flightless bird. Okay, I am a flying bird.
Because I have a cape, that means I can fly.
Whee!
This is common sense, Henry. I have a cape, so that means I can fly.
Well, look at me fly away.
I'm Spider.
I'll show you that I can fly.
I'm Spider Kid.
Look, I just flew over this entire thing and back.
Look at I'm doing raptor gaming. Well, kangaroo gaming, should I say? Yeah, touch it. Touch it.
Yes.
No.
Get noob.
No, don't say that.
Why?
What if we get copyrighted?
We can't be copyrighted by saying get noob.
Okay, then don't say it.
You're way too cautious about copyright.
I'm not just a paranoid person in general.
Oh my! I am a flying bird, and no one can tell me otherwise.
I am definitely a flying bird.
I'm an extra flying bird.
Do you know how I'm definitely in?
This is being dragged out to the entire length of the video. Skip to the end of. Don't do that. Skip to the end of the video. It will be exactly this level.
Stop it!
I'll tell the editor not to do it.
Okay. You'll be a fat boy in this game. Everyone be fat boy in this game.
I shall slap you in real life.
No!
And in the game also.
I forgot and I can
Whee! You can never escape the penguin slap.
No! You can never escape the chicken slaps.
Did you just copy me? Climb down the
I
ladder.
just banged my head on this metal fan.
I was about to hold it up and say, hey, climb down the ladder. Do you want a penguin slap, mister? Yes, you do. You really like penguin slaps.
Billy Bobby Boy.
Hey! No! Heh.
Just
Heh. Heh.
the mic. Stop breaking the mic. You don't want to break the mic.
For something other than why no it's not.
Yes. I
I have the perk. Oh my! I think something bad happened.
I think uncopyrighted card.
I know
game.
what to do, and it will be a very funny joke.
No, you can lift up the planks and end my life.
Well, something other than something related to Narnia.
What?
To something not related to Lion and the Witch and the Wardrobe, but isn't Narnia, and it is not for Narnia.
Are you trying to end this video?
It is for PewDiePie.
Stop this.
It is not for Narnia, it is for PewDiePie and PewDiePie only. That's why I jumped off.
Let's fight.
We're on the other side of the Ferris wheel. Do you really think this...
We're on the other side of the Ferris wheel.
Yeah, you're on the top, I'm on the bottom, but soon that will twist as Ferris wheels do that.
Ah.
If you don't know, this is the famous London hamburger.
Yeah, this is the Great London hamburger.
For PewDiePie, I shall jump to another cart like a, not Narnia person, for PewDiePie. This is for PewDiePie and not Narnia. Just let go. I should probably move. We're working as intended. I need to wait at least 10 seconds. Yes! Oh, you're right there. No! No! Get noobed. Gazebo.
Wait. No.
Oh shoot. I may get yes! Yes! No! No!
I'm trying to save us both.
You ended this. How do you feel?
I mean, it's fine.
No, I dragged you down like a drag.
That was so close.
I shall drag you down like a hang-me-down. Wow, the editor is gonna have an amazing time editing this video.
What are you going? What is it going to? What is it going to do?
I don't know. It might be a girl. We haven't met me.
Yeah, it might actually be both.
Yes.
You're like, it could be boy, could be girl. Maybe that two chopped in half. One's the boy, one's the girl.
You see how they fell into slime and they were never seen again? Until one day when they were found on shipping containers.
We're going. You're going.
We're going on a trip in my favorite
Container.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's taste this.
Yes, I shall never. Oof. Wow.
That was an epic fight.
Wow.
Cool.
We are totally acting like normal YouTubers who aren't new to YouTube or anything like this.
Okay, this is our first video. Stop blocking the mic.
Testing. Oh.
What are we doing?
We're working in the vents. Did you not get the memo? What's the memo?
Oh yeah, I think.
Oh, I didn't know you could break. What? These fences bend. No, like chill out for a second. Chill. Take a chill pill like a chilly Billy. I'm going this way and there's no way you can stop me. So look, chicken, if you do not stop, I will have to use extreme measures. And those are classified as penguin slaps, and I am using extreme measures now. They're more like penguin jabs. Ah, yes, fan of justice. That's not what is meant to happen when the fan's on.
Maybe it is.
I will pull your top hat down. and automatically win the next Wii competition. Like, no, I mean the Wii is in the controller, like, don't get any funny ideas. That was unintentional.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, you're in your zone. Is this an awful South
The pangolin.
Is this an awful South
It's the pangolin home. No, it's pangolin planet.
Say
It's
that.
That was actually disgusting. I felt the...
That was epic. I just got on.
I'm gonna go into the details of what that weird noise I made was. It was me inhaling saliva. We only eat beet. It is obviously beet. No! Oh my gosh, you just did some sort of wrestling move.
That was a wrestling move and half.
Foots, you are not bleeding, but I still don't like you.
We put that out.
Time for loud noise.
Put that out, okay?
You don't have to go over it many a time. The editor will deal with it. Yeah, I am. Me am teal. Chicken is blue. The pangolin is doing a excellent job of losing. Yes, no. Eat the. Oh, you're pecking me now. Is that what we've come to? Pecking. After all these, I'm just gonna hold you here. No. Why are chickens so impenetrable?
Yes, my sword's not impenetrable.
Wait, who is that at the door? FBI, open up. We want a chicken. Oh, I may have just removed the cat from this pen.
Pause.
Yeah, we'll be back in a second.
Remember to cut out all the parts that need to be cut out.
Actually, why don't we just let this pen die? Die.
No, please.
I'm not cutting this bit out. This is amazing. Wait, I mean the editor isn't cutting anything out. Yeah.
No.
Yes! Surprise! I thought I was a chicken for a jolly good second there. Bye.
Jolly well done.
Bye. You will not take my cup of iced tea.
No.
Do you get the joke?
Yeah.
Iced tea, I'm a
Well,
penguin.
none of us like that. Anyway.
Yeah. Oh my.
No one should like iced tea. It's horrible. You have triggered me.
You're a chicken, and I shall follow you. You really are a chicken. You just jumped off the edge. I made you so angry. You just jumped off the edge.
Remember how impenetrable I am, though.
Oh no. Oh no. Penguins do not like to be in this area. Oh my gosh, I cannot control it anymore. It is just having a fit, and it only cares about winning right now. Like, I am not controlling this penguin. No. No, do it properly, penguin. Do it properly. Maybe I should just stop controlling this. This penguin is doing a lot better job than me.
No.
You see?
Survive. No. Yes. No.
This penguin is a legend. Why haven't I just been sitting back and relaxing? Oh no, penguin is on the ground. I'm just gonna commentate as this epic fight between this enraged penguin and this human chicken.
I am a very dapper chicken.
I'm pretty sure you're a man in a costume.
No, I'm a very dapper chicken. Stop this. I'll kill you. No! I've got my attack strategy. Well, I've got his.
Okay, seems that the penguin is going for an
My gender is
RKK.
penguin. Is the gender fight?
It looks like
Maybe this penguin is our editor.
oh, that is actually a good idea.
This penguin is our editor.
And the
Look at
actual
its unique editing skills.
yeah, it's editing the fight.
Yeah, it's editing the fight to make it win.
Oh my gosh. Editor, you have some skills.
Look what I'm doing. Right?
This is what happens when you make a penguin angry.
No! Stop doing wrestling moves on me.
Oh! Wow. Supreme fighting prowess from both of the animals.
No!
Both.
To beat me!
The chicken appears to be having a seizure.
You keep this PG and family friendly and on YouTube Kids because that would be an honor.
I don't think anything goes on YouTube Kids because I don't think YouTube uses it anymore.
What?
Ah! Would you? No.
No!
Over here. Yes. Yes, the editor is actually going ham.
This will take a while.
Wait, actually no. The penguin is going chicken. Meat, that is.
No.
Looks like the penguin. Oh! Editor is going for a actual flip. Oh! Oh no!
I am the editor's
Oh no! This is a bad thing for
I was
the
always
editor.
the editor's
Oh no! Oh, editor, I feel so bad for you.
Yes, I am the king of this ring.
I think you have a couple bruises, chicken. I mean, I knew the editor was good at editing, but I didn't know it could edit the character's position, movement, and oh, it looks like the editor's gone. I actually have to do stuff now.
Yeah.
This is what happens when I control the penguin.
I'm way too good of a fighter. I defeated the editor.
Oh shoot, the editor's back.
See, look!
Seriously?
I am the king!
That was a joke. The editor was never in that fight. Only me. Ow. Ow.
I'm the king of
Ah! That actually hurt. No. Ow. Ow.
I'm the king
Ow.
of this ring. I'm doing an awkward dance right
Yes, you're the king of this ring we call a balloon. Oh shoot, the editor's here.
The editor.
The editor is doing a really good. Oh shoot, the editor. No.
I'm the
Editor. Oh my gosh, I actually have a red mark for where I slapped myself earlier.
I am an absolute king.
Ow! Make that red mark a bit
the
bigger.
editor. So we end this video and start a new one.
No. This is solid. I'm joking. Anyways, this is the end of this video, and I don't know what to say really.
Yeah.
Chicken, do you have anything to say?
My monocle snapped.
Oh, you messed up.
Come on.
Sign the video off.
Okay.
Maybe we can earn money to get a new one.
Bye, goodbye.